Fling na KCB Bank imeyumuchu Kisii. Nabo Spexels Opticians, Goodka Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Bia mono mwanchu muri on Ndizi TV kerenda ko tengera Ndizi TV anegro charagire Chinsa Ikomi jinga kiringo kuira wika semesa yamangana Amayia irumana yande wateka imena isiko ya Gusii no kubuli kwa na karanso ikendora Amayia yande wateka imena isiko ya Gusii kuru chingongo inye chenze irianyi mo jasugusu amo nabosongo asense meriengo yo nindo jase kimirano gya Kenya Premier League timu ya Shabana nigenda kokosoni timu ya Police FC asensemo ya Omabay ekarwika bona batarabekana egoli batarabekana goli ende yonsi ekarware asomotumo koigo asensemeri ya Mosojo asekemenano kya National Super League nigo Gusii FC agenda kuminyokani na Viga Pirates as Gusii FC agenda yanyebekire chigoli sato asidigena lesagero konene nigo baro omutumoko bawugigosoa asegepindi ya kabere Ndizi TV no era sensemo ya Mosojo agenda kuirukelia mangana yuna agendete asekemenano kya National Super League ati ye timu ya Gusii FC hamo na Viga Pirates yo naragenda tokorana na sensemo yechikosori kolende na kware nyuma naragenda tokorana ime na isiko ya Gusii karato kubaderna na Pedro Mokera ene kibina mariugine chibichago cheire asenjere abene eliane Brighton Makori Inyora bana bogana utobwati asense meli ye mitandao Facebook tanyora Ndizi TV News Digital waiga asense meli ya YouTube na botanyora Ndizi TV News ojajinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wa karenga kyao etumugwetera se number ere as screen igurabu aya Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi otugenja kurwase county ya Kisii asebona barandia amo nababasta nababishop balibale inse ye kiombe ya The Joshua Generation International Foundation litukulera banyara bago twara ege ikarogo somusangano ase ege tikya Gusii Stadium ekeroba okwanira amagendero aho barabeke erigosirana asensemo yamagendero nakuralia lingana lyomane baho kwana kurwa senseme ibo igoni banyare bako gikiria lingana liri eryanyara liko na Joanne Kambiro bunabali bale asensemeli ya Respian na gay mbanje ire korosi kiombe kyabo asense ya Kenya konende ningo bono bagikerie lingana eri asibate buna na renjera ya mobachire amo mune kiombe ya The Joshua Generation kuria mangana abunayo
lero niko tuwa tumusanganya kano monene oyuto kolonchi Joshua Generation International Network ekere kiumbe gekorandi ntiri ya Yesu Kristo ole moyo ekotebia abantu nga goikatorandi Yesu nando ikatwange bibe egere tuyako batokora mangana ya Amayia igo twagokire ko bamo nabaraibe county tubate barabange kurwa sub county kito chons kurwa sichwodi cheito kurwa siki sub location chons igo no tolega bosongo asoko jabanga nyasaye no muya na ande Joshua Generation ko kerege ekiombe ekerege korandia na bakokorokereria abantu na kobemukereria egera banyako bawekere ndoto yabo
ekene kiombe kyo Kristo igwemukereria abantu baito igoro baikere endoto yabe nyare gwikera namna baganeti kera tuachiramo nigo tukubekanamo twena nibirengeri twachaka chi project kiranyare gotoimuka igoro muna abagusii gose muna abantu tutagete gukina bono ase igo buna our founder akwana na intuni gotoko gikeria lingane liganga lya LGBTQ lingana mwigwete nisende mwigure mutama nga kiri lingana libeke gima libigate litegeta koleta Sodom na Gomora sisi ito ya Kenya na boy go lingana lioreto korageligwa asisi ito ya Kenya.
Kenya has been long declared as the springboard of the African revival, and the Joshua Generation has a mission to birth that revival using our county leadership, which is decentralized in Kenya, which means each county leader and chapter is a decentralized chapter whose mission and mandate is to disciple a nation each in Africa.
Ekerobona ba Kenya bagenda takuru birengera libyabo igoro yo komenta kwa maguta yo mentari twigoro nigo muwakiri Samson Sawe aborire serikali korioria ng'ane iyo asibo igatebiru na erena bwakiri bande nigera chikobeterero ikase kabero erigosoere serikali iguru yo komenta kwa maguta kera chingaki gorengana na Samson Sawe oyuru muwakini gateru na okomenta kwa maguta kera ngaki nigo yairiro bogima gokonga a sense ya Kenya lingana ligitakire kurigerirwa ne serikali egekugera abantu nigo bagendete goichanira eng'ane iyo
etokumeti na maguta kia komenta mono iga paka twachandikire igo tosabe serikali ere keti ono iga eme kisiona ya reduce maguta na lia bantu baranya gusafiri ku Chinsa wao ukore business without maguta ko reduce igo tokonyona eme chando gere nene bantu baganya ku move igo etosabe serikali ya William Ruto unaliria tebetia bananchi na naranya ku reduce maguta tigari reduce maguta kabisa njibno mwakiri onye tako chiko ikia maguta inse na buturage none koti ekoti ya muru maguta aichinze ekare koti na rutamirwa kiro mwananchi ekoti na nebwa to weso yoko reduce na ne prices yecho kia bikuru exorbitantly maguta gramentire ebinto byonsi bikomenda na ndebono mwananchi yolio inse kabisa igara achandike mono kabisa Kenya iga igotogosaba serikali reduce maguta na rio mwananchi nera nyore enchira yoko survive
ekarabono emeroberio ya bene gendete kobe kwa sense ya Kenya nensengima igoro yogo chenji kwelire nigobono ensemo gosenya gitari abo bisabari bakora senya gitari ya Agakan anene ase country ya Nyamira banyarire bakokera egetambukiro gia serikali koreta chikali chigotumeka estima gosichinguru chumuliro ase ense ya Kenya bagokwana nigo bago kiri getambukiro kanene karbanyorete etaro yabo bagotumeka egali yukuru asense moya Nyamira wetere county ya Kisii goika Kisumu ekarabana bakwande buna egali yo nigebwate obuyabwaye asokorenda ebintu biri bitwetane chen wanyama anomotenni obwekyo bwe nyagitari yo ya Agakan ime ya Nyanza oyibona kwanere obuya bwegali yo none ntereba nigo yagokeire amangana yo yegali yo egochikorende ebintu biri bitwetanaine.
Really excited because we were able to get our first electric vehicle towards the end of last month. We have made the maiden trip for this vehicle starting from Kisii through Nyamira and now just arrived Kisii. And indeed it has served us well. It was very silent all the way, no hiccups at all. And it's nice just to know that we've come all the way and not have had to do any pollution to our environments.
The amount of electricity that this car is using and the distance that are going to cover is cheap compared to fuel. Ukijaza gari kama hii kwa mfano itajana maybe around 10,000 shillings. But kama unaicharge na ijai kabisa 100 na unakuja Kisii, so utaicharge labda hata na 500 ama 1000. Yeah. So it is also pocket friendly. Maybe price yake ndio inaweza kuwa juu kidogo lakini kama una uwezo this is the best vehicle for you.
Ekero county ya Nyamira ndete gotwara gosukwana na mangana mange nigobono yarekanebna aba musiebe county ya Nyamira nigobarobireti gochigotware gikaro lichuma eikiende tariki 20 na 25 motinyo kianda umwako yiga nekero liuko eliria nyariri gosokiwa gosiria sokiwa bwango iga ekerobono baganyete di serikali gosiga serikali yage kobeka lingane libene asiga seti serikali ende bachigotwara egikarekyo anene kerenga kikarekyo korengana nelio kelyo ego barobere tiko chigokwana anenga kwara mwake isiko mugabana wi county Nyamira Amos Kimomi Nyalibo amangana mange ni anda tego singera county Nyamira asibwango iga Chinsa zintinti ya chikurutwa na Banyamira nene koru asinsemo awao igoro yo wako isiko kumo wasiri ibwa mangana yobo chenu wasi county yo Timothy Ombati ayo nigaganyerere ngosena ngira chikokorakana ekarura chikotwara egikarekyo anekarubaganyete ega set notes ya serikali nyarige kobeki ikarekyo bene ekardogotikana nayo omurai bwa simyuro moja Raila Odinga nigagendere komoche serikali anene asugutakirani chira chiri yalierete abakenya kero bare kurigia chikura kao kwana se county Nairobi anekero batwara egeikaro keri kiareta abamanyi ibamangana ao asense yitu ya Kenya anekero bare kurigia bokorori bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bono Raila Odinga atebiru na ebunda bono nigo yarosire oika ya kirense asibata jukira komoche serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yetenene numuraibu wense Dr. William Ruto.
Jana tumeona kama ile shirika yani waajiri Federation of Kenya Employers ndio naongea wakilia kwa niaba ya wafanyikazi. Chama ambaye imewekwa pale nitakana ikuwa inatetea wafanyikazi ambaye ni KOTU imenyamaza kimya. Atujasikia KOTU, sauti ya KOTU hata kidogo. Bwana Atuli hayuko mapalme yote. Shenzi sana. Hii ndio wakati ambaye KOTU wangekuwa kwenye mstari wa mbele ikiongea kitetea wafanyikazi gharama ya maisha ikipanda. Lakini sasa yule shirika ambaye ni waajiri ndio inaongea ninalia kwa niaba ya wafanyikazi. Kuna kitu mbaya zaidi ambayo imefanyika hapa. Hiyo vile vile state capture. KOTU imeingia katika mfuko ya serikali. Sasa kati nyingine sisi tulisema ati punda imechoka. Tulisema punda imechoka. Leo tunasema punda imeanguka. Mzigo umekuwa kubwa zaidi, sasa punda imeanguka.
Dr. Caroline Karungu no mumanyi bwa mangana yebiasara mone kibese uyu nyaraka wikerna asigi kare kyukyo mubwasi myuro moja ekera nyaraka ukona buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo etarabe ko boruso bwa buya ase kisemi anekrade abuna kisemi nigo titaji kutwaro boruso buya anenekere serikali etarabe ke miroberi emia yengane ineta kere kurigerirwa ase obugale.
I mean, the price of education in this country during the Ruto regime has increased by 225%, causing a huge issue and a huge burden, especially because many of these parents are already burdened by the issues of cost of living. We have seen lots of stories around implementation of the CBC, and we think that the government should be concentrating on policy and resourcing the CBC and not finding out if the system works or it doesn't work. Because by the time CBC was operationalized, a research had been conducted that would be the way forward. Corruption is back in a big way if you look at what's going on in the TSC and the NEC. And I know that when they were reading the budget, they told us that the education sector is the greatest gainer of that budget. I think it currently is at 27.6% of the current budget. And this money is going to TSC. However, the money is going to pay teachers to get more, to advance their popularist sort of agenda. And now what we are seeing in weekends, and I think the Fourth Estate is here, they have reported that as well. Over the weekends, MPs have letters that they're issuing to hire teachers and watu waingie kwa jeshi. So the role of TSC...
Ekero ebugi mabogende tego konga nebirengo biosina magoliye bintugo kina sense ya Kenya nigobone kiombe gia kotu gekuragwa no mokonyi wo muriki pension okoro banyare bate abuna nigo barachukubeteria serikali komenta bakori mirimo engelia egekugera engeli bakonyora kiromote nigetari guisana kende yonsi ekere bintu bende gukina anekera maguta ligolia maguta ni gukina aburitko legoro.
Reach the stage where the Kenyan worker is not working because he likes that work. We are just working for the sake of trying to pay, to struggle to pay our bills. That is where it has reached. We are not productive anymore. We are suffering. And what we are saying as KOTU, we cannot hold it anymore. We cannot hold it anymore. We have consulted our economic department at the ministry, at KOTU. And the minimum, the irreducible minimum general wage increase we are demanding is 50% salary increment.
Kenya has signed many conventions of the ILO, the International Labour Organization, that recognize free speech, free association, free assembly, free collective bargaining agreement between employers and employees, and the government as the umpire. This system is not working, and it has to be addressed, otherwise we are going to have
Ekero togosuka bosia kaduriti gokora nigo muri kyobotambe as wizara yejisemi anene high education nigo bona Beatrice Nyang'ara nigo bona nyareka gotogie serikali na gotemne serikali ngebetemberoberi yabene kwena kiuna gosirira chisemi asa togiri omoroberi omuya gosomonya bogosira chisemi asense yaito ya Kenya korengane nigatebna moroberi yomunya bogosira chisemi nigo rachigokonya aborokiwa as university anene bali batari kwenyara na ande kogendania masomo abo asense ya Kenya.
New funding model is the best thing that has happened since our education system was established. Because with this model, our most vulnerable, our extremely needy children will walk to the universities just like they have done without a coin. And they will be fully supported by the government. Can we get a clap as a government for that? Education is an equalizer, and I promise you, in a few years to come, we shall have lifted through this education funding model those at the bottom of the ladder. They will be competing favorably with all of us for the positions that you all look towards. As the Ministry of Education, we firmly believe that knowledge is a public good that requires heavy investment and promotion. That is why the government allocates substantial resources to the education sector to enhance the dissemination of knowledge and growth and development. And this year, the government has dedicated a whopping 630 billion to the ministry.
Sense Mary Bono yejigo soria sekimena kerika National Super League ekegendrede anekero en team ya Gusii FC ekegendrede kokosoria ni team ya Figa Pirates as team ya Gusii FC ekegendrede korabuya oikabono yanyarege kobeka team ya Figa chigorisa ta serigena risagero asingoyo egendrede asigeti kiamosojo murikito no ara sense meyo go sebari bara sense mutandao murobiri ino endete kwirukiwe mase ya makuru asense ya musojo ndete tolaranga kichigole chenya chikobekwa kuru asense ya musojo.
Wanaanza haraka ni timu ya Gusii. Abednego kijana mdogo kiungo pembezoni kulia. Gusii chenga inakubali pasi kwenda vema, lakini Nyangechi atamwamini Abednego, anakosa na mwamini mlinda lango Anthony. Pasi rahisi lakini huwezi kuguza. Experience yake mchezaji yule. Gusii FC wanapiga mpira ya miguzo. Mpira unakwenda nje, mpira wa mrusho kwa faida ya timu ya Gusii. Kantala.
Asante sana, ni miguzo hapa katika uga wa Cardinal Tunga. Hawa wana Gusii wana mchezo safi. Taxi kwa Kenani ya Abednego Nyakundi wanakata hawa Viga. Kwa Kenani Mauluda
aibona na koredera Chinsa Ikomi korende nyarage koragense ya maya maroba nachikonyara ya mana mange banandete wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa nagenda kuliria Ndizi TV na robo ansumusi etwabaterana na Petrone Mokero yone kuna murigine chibichago cheira senjera ya bene Brighton Makori.